I've owned this bad boy for 27 years. As the first scooter I ever purchased. She started off life as a 125cc that could barely go up a hill, and I rode it all over London. She was my daily, everyday commuter. And as I got more and more into my love affair, she was stripped back many, many times, repainted, rebuilt, engine tuned, numerous times. As we see her now, she's built in what I call a street racer style. She's been painted in a DNA paint. It's a high reflective metallic paint. And the reason why she got painted again is, unfortunately, she got hit by a car. Not while I was riding her, unfortunately, but by a friend of mine on King Street, Newtown. So after 2 years of planning, I put the formula together to rebuild her as we see her today. She's running what we call a T5 engine with a worked Malossi cylinder, 30mm carburettor, reinforced clutch, and if you're lucky enough to see, she's running a nitrous oxide system. The nitrous oxide system was built a few years earlier in my old workshop in King Street, Newtown. And it was built over my Christmas holidays with a mate of mine, Weasel. Basically, we had a nitrous bottle, a few oxide bottles, and a little bit of know-how and ingenuity. And the way the nitrous basically works is that it's armed with a remote kill switch, which arms the fuel pump. Once it's armed, it's sending signals to two switches. So once the scooter goes into third or fourth degree, the first switch is turned on, but the nitrous doesn't operate until it goes into wide open throttle. So basically in wide open throttle in third and fourth, the nitrous kicks in and gives it an extra squirt. I've managed to get the scooter to 13.8 seconds on the quarter mile. And unfortunately, I won't be going back to the track anytime soon due to a death of a good friend of mine, Darren Shepherd, that died on the track a few years ago. But I still ride her at least once a week and get great love and joy out of riding my old girl.